In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap crypto in SafePal wallet. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, pull up your SafePal wallet. It can be either in your mobile phone, or like me, you can have it as an extension over here on your Chrome browser. So you want to open it up, and then you want to, of course, sign into your wallet. And from here to swap crypto, it's quite easy. Over here, just under your balance, it says swap. You want to click on that. And then from here, you first want to select which token you want to select, and you want to switch for which one. So for example, let's say we want to have some Bitcoin switched. So let's say you have some Bitcoin and you would like to switch it to, for example, Ethereum. So you want to click on Ethereum as a receive and pay Bitcoin, okay? So then you want to type in how much you want. So for example, let's say you have 1 Bitcoin for some reason, you would see how much you would get if you swapped, and then in case you have a sufficient balance, and if you agree with this, and you'll see the rates, the fees, everything over here, you can then click on swap, and then after you click on swap, it will basically swap your this token, so in this case Bitcoin, for this one over here, so in this case to Ethereum. Now, you have to notice that it says the time over here, which is important, so you will not get it instantly, it will take a bit of time. For this case, it will take about 10 minutes, but in your case, it may be different, so make sure to check that out before you click on swap. So after you click swap, you confirm everything, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.